And an Accra High Court, presided over by Justice Daniel Mensah, has dismissed an interlocutory application by the Progressive People's Party, which sought to stop the Electoral Commission from collecting filing fees from nominees for the 2016 general elections.
Justice Daniel Mensah deferred reasons for dismissing the case to Monday, October 10, and adjourned the substantive matter on the legality of the process used by the EC to set the fees to Tuesday, October 11.
The PPP filed an interlocutory injunction at the High Court on September 19, seeking to restrain the EC from going ahead with the receipt of filing fees from presidential and parliamentary candidates a day before the date scheduled for filing. The injunction prevented the EC from receiving the filing fees of the various parliamentary and presidential hopefuls, though it accepted the filing fee of the PPP flag bearer Dr. Papakwesi Indum, who was represented by the party's chairman Nialute Brew-Hammond. The PPP, among other things, was seeking a declaration that Regulation 45 of CI 94 is discriminatory, arbitrary, capricious and unreasonable. The PPP had earlier told the courts that it did not have the required amounts to file nominations for the presidential and parliamentary elections. The PPP lawyer Dennis Ofosu-Appiah in court further argued that the said amount being charged by the EC was not stated in the law. He stated that PNDC Law 284 requires the Commission to set the amount to be charged in the regulations for the elections. He further told the court that the PPP risked not participating fully in the 2016 elections if the court did not stop the EC from charging the high fee. But the lawyer for the EC, Thaddeus Sori, who disagreed with the motion, said the law allows the EC to determine the fee. He said if the PPP cannot pay the amount, they should have applied for an injunction preventing the EC from taking money from PPP and not the parties, since they cannot assume that all other parties cannot pay. But the court, presided over by Justice Daniel Mensah, dismissed the application, deferred reasons for the dismissal to Monday, October 10, and adjourned the substantive case to Tuesday, October 11. The PPP again has a contempt suit against the EC for collecting the filing fee for their flag bearer even before the court ruled on the injunction suit.
We will go into the matter whether the EC CI 74 or CI 94 provides in accordance with PNDC Law 284. So the matter is not ended. What has happened today is that even if you go and pay, Progressive People's Party, you go and pay, this court has the capacity to take your money back with interest as the counsel for EC submitted. So we've just, as a matter of case, released the hands of the Electoral Commission to collect its filing fees so that the process can move on. And the matter that we brought, that the fee that is being charged is not backed by law, will be determined subsequently.